So today we're going to make a quick breakfast, which is toast bread. So on our ingredients, you need 3 eggs and pieces of bread according to how much or how many pieces you want of the toast. So let's get to it.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do, going to do. Where is the life I? Where's my shot? Is this called living? I don't know, I don't know. Where is the life I? Where's my shot? Is this called living? I don't know, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left behind me. Just live my behind me. Just live my behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where is the life I? Where's my shot? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know, I don't know. Where is the life I? Where's my shot? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left behind me. Just live my behind me. Just live my just live my behind me. Just live my just live my behind me. Just live my just live my behind me. I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody say me other thing? Going to do, going to do. Where is the life I?